Good morning, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and it's my time to make coffee. And I like to use this compact blender to make it an iced coffee. I already have in here my ice, my cream, and my espresso shot in here, and that's what I make in the morning when I want a nice, like almost like a homemade frappuccino in a sense. And this here is a compact mini blender that I've been using. This here is going to be great for if you want to take it to the gym, work, you name it, you can bring it. It's compact. It's going to come with these three components. And this is what I love about it. It's just simple to use. This is going to be rechargeable. One press here can show us the battery life. So we're at 100%. It's going to be USB-C rechargeable. You're going to get your lid with a nice rubbery handle. And this would screw on when we're carrying our beverage to go. This here is going to be spill proof, leak proof, right? So I can mix it up a little bit, but now I want to blend it. And the way we're going to do that is unscrew this. I'm going to screw our top on. Once we're locked in place, we can just give this a hard push. All right, we're going to turn it on. Now, if you ever forget, there's instructions on the side. So one click will check battery life. Long press to start the blending, and just make sure when you first get it that it is fully charged. And then you want to do a 1-to-1 ratio as far as liquids to solids. All right, we're long press. And you can hear that mixing. It does have a rubber bottom, so I can let go and it's not going to slide off the counter. You could walk away. I just want to push it back a little. And that looks good there. So I'll just turn it off. We can tilt it upside down. And now we have our yummy drink. You can see there, that's nice and creamy. I can put my lid on and I can take this to go. Now you can have your mixture in there, whether it's creatine, taking it to the gym, have your stuff ready to go. You don't need to mix it quite yet. Throw it in your gym bag. And then when you're ready post-workout to blend up or even pre-workout, then you could do it right there. So it's just a lot more fresh. So definitely recommend checking out this portable blender. I also wanted to show you that this here is going to be all waterproof. You can make sure the rubber gasket's on back to protect the USB-C port. But when you want to rinse this out, I just finished, you can go ahead and give it a quick rinse under the sink and you're good to go. And then go ahead and dry it or let it sit out to dry. And then obviously this here will also be fully washable.